Let it go, let it go. Hi. I'm Elsa and I'm here in quarantine. It's been so much fun. You wouldn't believe it. I get to be all alone and nobody bothers me. Now, let me show you around my apartment because, it's just me here. Well, actually, I have a couple of friends, but they're upstairs in the bathroom. They're in quarantine. Let me show you what my survival gear is. So, here I have my food. It's a gigantic fruit cocktail. It's all I need. And here's my orange juice. I do not even have to get off the couch. It's so exciting. I just sip my orange juice. There it is. There is my orange juice sipper. I invented it myself. I had a lot of time for arts and crafts. I'm going to show you my Lego creation in a minute, but let me just show you what I've been doing. Right here is my treasure, and so just take a look in my treasure. It's been a lot of fun. I've been keeping track of my treasure, and here I have everything I need. I have some more treasure. I have my laptop and I have my toilet paper. Now, let me tell you a little story. I was running out of toilet paper just like everybody, and I thought, wow, if I can make snow and ice, I am sure I can do a great job making my own toilet paper. So, just a second, I'll tell you what happened.
Your friend the toilet paper now.
So I was up in my bathroom and I noticed I was out and I was like yelling, hey Anna, bring me the toilet paper. And then I remembered, oh my goodness, she's quarantined in the castle and here I am in my apartment and I am out of toilet paper and my sister is not bringing me any toilet paper. So I thought I am going to make toilet paper. Well, my first try, and I actually made toilet paper man. Look at him, he's so cute. But the thing is he's the toilet paper police and he doesn't actually like to share, and I'm constantly getting in trouble because so far I've made about 1,000 rolls of toilet paper. It's gone really well. I got good at it, but the toilet paper man keeps eating my toilet paper. I just don't know what to do. Well, Olaf's here with me. He's taking a nap. He's in quarantine. I haven't found out yet if snowmen are dangerous, so I'm just keeping him here under the sink, and every time I play with him, I wash my hands, but he has just been sleeping and sleeping. And then my other companion is a little green frog. I heard the animals don't actually carry the virus. So whenever I need toilet paper, my little green frog just brings it to me. Now for my creation. So just like you, been doing new things. Oh, excuse my hair. The one great thing about this quarantine is that I don't have to do my hair. Do you know how hard it actually is to do those hairstyles? Oh my goodness. And the truth is I never do my own hair. I always have somebody else do it. I have all the servants and now we're all in quarantine and look at me, I'm a mess. I have not taken a shower. I have not done my hair. I've not washed my face. But I have been trying some new lipstick and eyeliner and stuff. So anyway, here is my creation. I've been building with Legos. Tell me, what have you been doing in your quarantine? Well, I've been building with Legos. I've been practicing because I really haven't been building with ice in my apartment so much. I did make this nice ice-colored nail polish. It's very beautiful. And I'm just going to get back to my little time on the couch. Don't have to get dressed, nothing. And anyways, I never dress myself. So anyway, I'm going to just get back to doing what I always do, just scrolling Facebook. See you later.